What's up YouTube? It's Jasmine JassyyB and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a mini rainbow fashion haul. And when I say mini, I really mean like mini. I only purchased a couple of things from Rainbow. I like Rainbow. I always go in there like, you know, once in a blue, and I always can find some really cute items. I will be showing you guys the 3 things I purchased from Rainbow. Yeah, only 3 things. But I'm like, why not record a video and show you guys what I purchased from Rainbow? Like, I like Rainbow. Why not? Guys, so we're gonna get into the first item. This shirt. This was $10. I thought that this was so cute. I'm like, this can be worn in the fall as well as the summer as well as the winter. So I'm like, this is a really cute shirt. So this is my first time that I'm trying this on because I didn't try it on at the store. So I'm gonna check it out. Okay guys, so this is the first shirt and this is how it looks. I like this. Like, I'm feeling this shirt a lot. It's cute. Here's the back. And it was only $10. I swear, you can always find some cute items at Rainbow. Like, love this shirt. I got this in a size small and I'm just like, should I have got it in like a little bigger size? But I like the way it fits. I think a small is perfect. But yeah, this is the first item and it had different colors. It had it in white. I was looking at the white one and I'm like, I should get the white one, and I should have got the white one. Actually, I should have got these in all colors because this is super cute. So I might go back to pick up the other ones. But they had this in white, they had this in black, they had this in I think a mustard color as well. But yeah, this is cute. All right, we're gonna get into the next item. All right guys, so this is the next item. This is a long sleeve. It looks like a crop top. I'm really not sure honestly. But this is the next item. And this was $10.97. I'm like, first of all, this is like one of my favorite fall colors. Like, I love this color. Like, this is, I think this goes so well with my complexion. So I love this color. But I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks. So this is how the second shirt looks. This is really cute. Okay, at first when I put it on, I was looking like what's this about? But I'm like, this is super cute. I'm like, this can be worn with some really loose sweatpants. Like, this is a really cute top. And I thought that this was really cute for the fall as well, like, because it's long sleeve. It has this little cut here that's really stylish. But like, I like this shirt. At first I was like, I'm not sure, but looking at this, I'm like, this is cute. I'm loving this shirt. Here's the back. And mind you, they had these in different colors as well. That's what I love about Rainbow. Like, they offer you items, but like, you can get them in like multiple colors. They always have things in like 10 different colors, I swear. But this top is definitely cute. And I cannot wait to style this and rock this, okay? Yes. Cute. Loving it. All right, we're going to get into the next item. Okay, this is the third and final item. It's like a crop, like, I don't know what you call this, like this type of fuzzy material. I have no idea, but this is burgundy and it is $11.97 for this little crop sweater. This is really cute. I'm gonna try this on and show you guys how this looks. I got this in a size medium, so I'll be back. I'm gonna try this on, guys. So this is the third and final item. It's a crop sweater and this is popping. Okay, I actually like this. I didn't know that the arms were like this wide, but it looks really cute. Like, I really like this. Here's the back. And again, they had this in multiple colors and now I'm thinking I should have got this in different colors as well. Like, I didn't know how any of this was gonna look, honestly. I just saw it, I'm like, this would be cute. I didn't want to buy like different colors because I'm just like, I might not like this, but this is a really cute sweater. It's really cute. This is definitely fall attire. The only con about this is I think that it kind of sheds a little bit, but I mean, it was only $11. What do you expect? So I'm not tripping over that. But other than that, this is a really cute sweater. This is really cute. You can wear this with some jeans. You can wear this with some tights, like your little Ugg boots, your little leather boots, like anything. Like, this is really cute. And yep, stylish. So you guys, do not sleep on Rainbow. They have some cute items. I'm definitely gonna go back and purchase some more items, and I'll probably do like a bigger clothing haul. So yeah, so I'll definitely go back and purchase more items so I can do a bigger Rainbow clothing haul, because I'm actually impressed with the items that I purchased yesterday. I haven't been to Rainbow in a minute, so it's just like I didn't know really what to expect. I think the last time I went to Rainbow was maybe last year, and I actually purchased a couple of turtlenecks and they were really cute. But I'm like, let me go into Rainbow and see what they have. They actually had like a variety of things, but I only purchased a couple of things because I wasn't really sure how everything was going to fit and look. But I'm overall satisfied with the 3 items I purchased. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you comment down below which one was your favorite. But until next time, have a wonderful week and many blessings to you all.